Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin. Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth 3 times. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. One more time, breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. And as you start breathing normally, observe every breath going deeper and deeper. Allow yourself to relax. Just take your attention to your head. There may be a lot of thoughts going on. You may be catching up a lot of vibration from a lot of other people who may be in your vicinity right now, people who may be really far off, people maybe from other past lives. Just get present to all that awareness and allow that to just release. You don't have to make it yours. You're just aware. You're a psychic. Most of the crap that goes around your head is not even yours. Don't try to understand it. Just release it. Yeah, and just take your attention to your breath. Relax. With every breath, just relax and release. Now just allow yourself to expand your awareness beyond your physical body and just expand beyond the room, the city, the country, the planet, the galaxy and all the other galaxies and the entire universe. Allow yourself to connect with the divine universal energy. Imagine a shaft of white light coming from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. And connect yourself with the Mother Earth.
Pull the energy from the Mother Earth all the way up to your feet, to your entire body, right till the top of your head, your crown chakra. Now, let us invoke the energy of Archangel Shamiel, he who sees God, he who seeks God. Archangel Shamiel is the angel for seekers, and it is also known that whenever you're looking for something, no matter what it is, if it is something that you've lost, an object, or you're searching for something, maybe you're looking for a house or a partner, call upon Archangel Shamiel, because from the divine space where Shamiel is, Shamiel can see it all. Sometimes when you are not having clarity, you can call upon Archangel Shamiel, as Shamiel will just help you to be able to see all the aspects, to be able to see what you might have been ignoring earlier. And the ultimate vibration, the pure unconditional love. It is said that if you experience the unconditional love in your life, you can easily get to the vibration of the source, the universe, the God. And that's why Archangel Shamiel is also known as the angel for love. If you are seeking divine relationships which are not based on the transaction of this reality, which are operating from the pure divine unconditional energy, call upon Archangel Shamiel. So dear Archangel Shamiel, we call you. And now when you're here, we allow you to contribute to us. Dear Archangel Shamiel, help me heal my relationships, I can actually see a green color here the minute we said heal. So allow Archangel Raphael to contribute so that you're able to release the past energy blockages that may be creating your relationship the way they are right now. Allow Archangel Raphael and Shamiel to heal your relationships. If you are looking for a partner, if you are not with a partner yet, you can ask Archangel Shamiel to gift you with divine synchronicity, divine coincidences of moments that leads you to your partner. May someone who will be a huge contribution to you, will be valuable to you, will contribute to you to grow and will be happy to see you growing, and will allow you to contribute to him or her show up in your life, your true soulmate. And if you already have a partner that you would like to create a divine relationship with, you can ask Archangel Shamiel right now to contribute to you to have clarity about your relationship and fill your relationship with unconditional love and joy and peace. Any thoughts that are coming right now, don't resist them, let them come. They are all surfacing up. It's all healing happening. Everywhere in this life or any other lifetime, you concluded this person can never change. This person will never love me. This person can never appreciate me. This person would this person would that. Everywhere you have made others more significant and have concluded the things that are not in your favor. Allow yourself to release all of that right now. Anything is possible in this world. The universe, the nature is changing every moment. It is said that every moment, every cell of the body changes. And it is only because of the vibration we are vibrating at, the thoughts we have, we recreate the body the same way. What if so is true for even your relationships? What if every day you have the opportunity to end your relationship and recreate your relationship? Allow yourself to be in total allowance of people in your life. May Archangel Shamil contribute to you the eyes, the way to look at people, the perception to look at people as the gift they are in your life, no matter how difficult they may seem like right now. Even with whatever they are right now, what gift are they? Allow yourself to have that awareness. Allow yourself to have that healing. And allow yourself to receive the pure, divine pink light from the universe, the white light from the universe that is still coming on the top of your head has sparkles of pink light now, filling you up with the divine love. Healing you, filling you up so that you don't have to look for others to feel complete. You are complete. Actually, you don't need anyone in your life. You are so happy and fulfilled with yourself where you are. Yet, you can choose to have people in your life to create greater, for better relationship, for more joy. How would it be like when you have all your relationships from the divine connection, from the divine contribution? And if you have people around you who may show up the way you don't want them to or like them to show up, instead of judging them, just bless them. You must have been in their shoes once upon a time. There is nothing you have not done and been. Everywhere you concluded that you are stuck in some relationships, allow Archangel Shamil to heal that. You are not stuck anymore. It's all in the mind. No one is holding you anymore. Everywhere you are holding on to past memories that is not allowing you to move on, allow them all to let go. They are all in your head. Where is your past? It's all in your head, in your memories, in your thoughts. It's not solid, it's not real. Let it all go. Yes. Even the deepest, darkest, most painful memories, let it all go. You are not doing any good to you by holding on to those painful memories. And those people might be really have moved on in your life, in their life. They are happy, you are stuck. Unstuck yourself. Let go. Let go of no matter what it was. And now allow Archangel Samuel to hug you, embrace you, and fill you up with the divine, pure energy of love. You are fulfilled. Thank Archangel Samuel. Thank the universe. Thank the angels. And slowly and gradually, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation, journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.